Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the font styles in Google Chrome. So if you want to change to the different fonts that may be easier to read for your particular viewing preference, I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon over here, and you just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side select appearance. On right side you just need to scroll down and select customize fonts. So in here you can able to see the default fonts over here, the standard font and serif font, sans serif font and fixed width font and mathematical font. I just need to change it. This is the default font over here. So there are different options in here. Font size tiny, huge and minimum font size. You can change this point to huge or tiny. So the standard font, this is basically will change the font for websites that have not declared a specific font or a font style. So the font you select here will change the default one that it launch with, and the next option is serif font. So these fonts have a little feed at the bottom and top of the letter. So if your website uses a serif font, the browser will use whatever font you select here or here. And you have the sans serif font. So these are the modern fonts without the little feed and on top and bottom of the letter. And you have the fixed width font. So in these fonts all the letters, numbers and special characters would have the same width and often used to write and show computer code. So if you want to select or change that text, you can do that here. After changes the font, you just need to close it off the browser and relaunch it. And that's all you had to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.